Now, I recently did a video recommending a food item for those looking to diversify their diet. A small can of canned kimchi, which is basically the size of a sea ration. There are some people that just cannot handle kimchi. They can't handle the smell, can't handle the taste. Another recommendation that I would have for you is canned sauerkraut. In particular, this one is my favorite, Frank's Kraut. It tastes a lot better than the store brands that you can get fairly cheap. This will cost a little bit more. But as I said, the quality is a lot better. Now, for those of you who aren't aware of it, fermented foods, pickled foods have a lot of health benefits. I've heard that sauerkraut can actually supply some vitamin C to the body. There's also a large list of other vitamins you can get from this. This is a source of probiotics. It can help your digestive system, help keeping you regular. And there's I don't know if it's been confirmed in any study or not, but this is supposed to have somewhat of a anti-cancerous quality for certain types of cancers, which I'm guessing have to do with the digestive system. Now, Frank's Kraut is very basic. The only thing that is in it is cabbage, water, and salt. And this little 8-ounce can provides, it says 6 servings, 5 calories a serving, so a total of 30 calories. You can eat this cold. You don't need to heat it up. When I was still in the military, that's how I ate this a lot of times. I would just cut open the top. I would drink the fluid from it. Don't waste it. And then use an MRE spoon or a fork from field chow and eat it straight from the can cold. Tastes just fine that way. Another thing that I liked to do when we had them was I would mix this with the beef frankfurters, also known as beef frankfurters, also known as the 4 fingers of death. Most people hated them, but I actually preferred those. They taste a lot better than the hot dogs that you get in the store now, which are more filler than actual meat, almost to the point where they should be in a vegetarian section and not in a meat section. Can't get a hold of beef frankfurters anymore in an MRE. So what I came up with and what works really good with this, take your canteen cup, pour your sauerkraut into it with the juice, then get yourself a small can of Spam. This says 7 ounce. Take this can of Spam, open it up, cut it into slices, chunks, however you want it. Add it into the canteen cup, and then add in usually about half a can of water, maybe a little bit more than that, so that the fluid is going to be up over the top of everything that's inside the canteen cup. And then heat that up over a heating tablet or a small fire. It's really good. I highly recommend you give it a try. But this video primarily, as I said, another recommendation here for something for your food items. I know I've had it in videos before. I think it was in the field rations video. Frank's Quality Kraut. Some of the best that you're going to find out there at a decent price, and you can find it in pretty much any store, especially your Walmarts. Now, for all my engineer brothers and the Patriot Militia movements, always remember, essay on.